unbox all this stuff, I just want to talk to you a little bit about some of the products I got today. First of all, using the Sephora app, I spent more than $30 and I was able to get this for free, which I needed a moisturizer anyways. I was looking for some travel things, and I have a Laneige sleeping mask, so I figured I would try this moisturizer out. I needed a foaming cleanser really badly. I ran out of one. I've used the green tea oil-based cleanser before, and so I figured I would like this foam one. I've never used a foam one before, but I'm gonna try it out. To be honest, I've been using coconut oil to get the makeup off my face right now, and hasn't been clogging my skin too bad or anything yet, but that's why I need a really good foaming cleanser. Next up, this is just like One Size by Patrick Starr's, like my ride or die right now. Up next, I got this as a free gift with some of my insider points. I really needed a travel size primer, so here we go. And to bring I think my total was like $36 for 4 things. Like I said, I got 2 of them basically for free. So these 2 things together was just under $30. And so then I think I bought this. Then I think I bought this just to bring it up so I could get this other thing for free. But yeah, I needed a bunch of travel sized items because I travel a lot, and like I had went to Target recently and got something to put it all in. It broke, it was just not it. It was very flimsy. I think I got it for like $5. So, I mean, this was $4, but I can already tell it's much better made. I can fit a few things in here. I could fit my sleeping mask. I could put like a small travel size deodorant in here. Woo! I didn't know the Sephora app gave you so many deals. That was just the deal that I picked because I needed, like I said, a travel size moisturizer. There was like fragrances on sale. You could get minis for free if you spent over a certain amount of money. What else was there? Yeah, no, there was hair care. There was other skincare things, I believe. So the Sephora app, I didn't know how crazy it was gonna be. So I'm loving these new items. I'm just gonna wash my face right now actually, because I had just worked out and got done with the yoga class. I got out the shower. So I'm gonna wash my face using some of these products now. The foaming cleanser and the moisturizer, and then I'm gonna see how I like them. Okay. Don't hate on the Thayers. So at night, I may or may not use a serum usually before I do like my moisturizer, but it's the day and this is a budget-friendly skincare routine. So now for this moisturizer. Innisfree has really good moisturizers also, so you could get one of those for cheap, I'm sure. Sometimes if I'm in a pickle, I'll use shea butter as a moisturizer. I know it's a little thick, but if you heat it up in your hands and really like let it get silky and just kind of press it into your face, if I'm like really trying to save some money, I'll use that. So, how do you think my skin looks for the day? What do you guys think? There's my budget-friendly skincare routine. Yeah, okay, what do you guys think? What are some of your Sephora favorites? I got a lot of minis, travel sizes, so let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe.